Are you on a hunt for some easy ways to make extra money? Well, look no further because in this video, I am going to share exactly how you can get paid to watch video. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. If you are new on this channel, my name is Manilyn, a full-time mom, a freelancer, and a virtual assistant. Please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell button so that you will be notified every time I uploaded a new videos all about making money online. If you have any questions, suggestions, or clarifications about this video, please feel free to leave a comment down below. In today's video, I'll show you how to earn money around $100 per hour by simply watching videos, which is one of the simplest methods to generate money online. This may seem silly, but trust me, this is such an easy online money generating strategy for you to get extra cash by simply watching videos. Now, let's get right into the video. Step 1 is to play the video. Step 2 is to watch it for at least 30 seconds. Step 3, cash out your earnings. It's really simple. I'm going to show you the single most effective website for making money online by simply watching videos. This website is accessible from anywhere in the world and it is completely free. Alright, so let's get started. So what is this website all about? So this is called Picoworkers. So Picoworkers is an online platform for freelancers that says it offers you cash for completing short tasks and long-term ongoing jobs too. So it describes itself as an online marketplace connecting freelancers with the business owners. So this site was founded in 2013 by a US-based company under the clarion call that everyone can work and make money online. If you are already familiar with other microjob websites, so this Picoworker might be a site worth considering for. Anyways, this is free to join, so there is no money involved when you start to join in this. So how to register at Picoworkers? The process of creating an account with Picoworkers is very straightforward. You only need to provide your full name, your email address, and country of residence. You must also create a profile page by entering your nickname, profile page title, and a short bio. Your Picoworkers account will be credited with a sign-up bonus worth 0.50 cents as soon as you verify your email address. So how does Picoworker work? Picoworker is divided into two sections. So one for the employers and one for the workers. Employers post various jobs and small tasks on the site for workers to complete. Some of the most common tasks include signing up for website, watching YouTube videos, liking Facebook pages, following social media accounts. Once I had signed up, I saw approximately 1,000 plus of these types of tasks. They are not unfortunately very high-paying job, but they ranges from around 0.02 to 0.20 for each task. By clicking on a task, you were taken to a page that explained what was required and the proofs you had to provide. So as a Pico worker, you are only required to complete tasks as per the requirements of the employer and submit proof of completion for you to receive your earnings. Submitting a false proof will result in red flag and subsequent termination of your account after 3 warnings. So although the tasks are very low paid, as you continue, you will be able to improve your earnings. And Picoworker has a rating system that ranks workers according to their performances. Employers will rate your work at the end of the job or each task according to your performance or the results. So you must maintain a success rate of above 75% to continue working on this platform. To achieve a high success rate, all you have to do is to follow the instruction accordingly. Unfortunately, the income potential is very low. Short-term tasks only pay between 2 cents and 20 cents, while ongoing long-term jobs pay you up to $15 per task. From these figures, it is easy to tell that potential earnings are not very lucrative. At best, this is a very small side income. The maximum amount of money that you should expect per month once you perform the task accurately and consistently is between 30 and 50 US dollar. Picoworker also has a referral program that pays you 5% of what your referrals earn on the site. However, unless your referrals are active on the site, you won't earn a lot in here. Requesting a payment is one of the most intricate processes on Picoworkers. This is due to numerous formalities that you have to undertake before you can receive your earnings. Picoworkers will first verify your photo and then confirm your full name to establish your identity. You must also answer your security question before submitting a withdrawal request. So the entire process takes close to 2 working weeks, and discrepancies in your data will result in non-payment. So the minimum payable balance on this platform is $7 excluding the sign-up bonus, which cannot be withdrawn. However, you must have more than this amount to cash out, considering that the Picoworkers charge a processing fee for every withdrawal transaction. So you may request for payment via Amazon gift cards, US bank check, PayPal, Payza, PaySafeCard, or cryptocurrency. So in case if there is any problem when you guys work at Picoworkers, so the Picoworkers website has a fact page if you require any information on specific things. You can also contact the Picoworkers customer supports at info@picoworkers.com. Is Picoworkers legit? Yes, presently, there is no doubt that Picoworkers offers a real opportunity to earn cash online in exchange for carrying out microtasks. However, just because a platform is legit, it doesn't mean it is the best choice for you. So to help you decide if you want to give Picoworkers a try, I will discuss to you the pros and cons about this platform. So now let's discuss first the pros of Picoworkers. So first, this is free to join and the platform accepts applicants from all over the world. And there is no restrictions on membership. And the second, sign-up bonus, you will receive a 0.50 sign-up bonus after completing the registration process. So it is not very much, of course, but it is at least an incentive for anyone seeking to make money online. So third, there were plenty of jobs that Picoworkers offer. So furthermore, these jobs are easy to do and their availability is not pegged on geographical location. Fourth is the multiple payment option. This company offers multiple payment options ranging from Amazon gift cards to digital coins. You can also request your payment via PayPal, Payza, and also there is a referral program. So Picoworkers runs affiliate programs that pays you 5% of every deposit your referral makes and 5% of your referral's lifetime earnings. And now let's discuss the cons of Picoworkers. First, the complex withdrawal process. So the process of making a withdrawal is so complicated and takes a very long time. Second, high transaction fees. So Picoworkers charges high transaction fees on every withdrawal transaction. Third, low income potential. So the income potential of this site is very low. Most tasks pays as low as 2 cents. And the fourth, payment issues. According to various reviews available online, some members have complained about not receiving payments 2 months down the line. And the fifth, poor support services according to some members. So the support services on this platform are very poor. You may end up not receiving help even on urgent. So you may be asked, is Picoworkers worth joining of your time? Picoworkers is a genuine online platform that pays. However, the strict nature of this platform, coupled with the lengthy processing of payment, has drawn a lot of criticism from many freelancers. Various reviews from members suggest that it can take a while for you to receive your earnings. Furthermore, the complex process of verifying your identity before receiving payment can work against you in case of any slight discrepancy in your profile data. However, if you can maintain a 75% success rate and you do not mind the low income coupled with high transaction fees, then it could be worth it for you. And that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you learned something from today's video. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, clarifications, or suggestions about the video, please feel free to leave the comment down below, as I promise, or I will try my best to respond as soon as I can. So I hope to see you in my next video. So bye for now and happy earnings. So God bless everyone and stay safe.